OK, so first of all, Eleanor，我们先做这个 calculation，好不好？不理他们，
Okay.
他们这样子太慢了，你说是不是？OK，我把这个，等一下啊，我把这个题目发出来。
Why am I always so early?
你不是 early，you're on time，是他们不对，他们这样子不好。不过也有可能是因为你知道吗？他们可能那个今天下雪嘛，你们家附近下雪了吗？对啊，因为有可能他们下雪，然后就有很多小朋友可能就比较那个，知道吧？OK，我们不管它，我们5分钟先做啊。预备，你笔拿好了吗？
Mm-hmm.
纸也拿好了，好，5分钟。
Mm-hmm.
哎呀 OK，每个小朋友都看到了，看到题目了啊，开始做。OK，有着的那个猫好帅啊
嗯
，Jordan 的这个头像的猫好帅。你们把题目已经拿出来了啊。 OK，好，小朋友做完了吗
还没。
？OK，Eleanor 也没做，还有2分钟。OK，
哦，
大家今天都迟到了，是不是因为雪呀？
是。
还有30秒，加油。OK，
好。
OK，小朋友们，时间到了啊！好，把笔放一下。Albert 今天还在路上呢，所以我们先上课了，好不好？OK，好，先数一数，一共做了多少题，好吗？哦，Jordan 不错。
妈妈，
多少了？放那个上面去。
数出来。
好，你放呀。
did all of it。忘记。
OK，Eleanor 真好。
我来帮你数啊哟。
OK，Amelia 数好了吗？Eleanor 全做完了，Amelia 和 Alexander 还没
妈妈在
开始玩。
数。
我是你妈妈在数。知道吗？为什么？打球的。
这10个。
写。
做好了吗？
做好了。
做好了。OK，好，做好了。好的。OK，好，那我们来看一下小朋友们今天我们要学的东西啊。OK，今天我们要学的一个东西，很多小朋友以前学过。OK，so I want to ask all of you, what is fraction? Okay, so who can answer me what is fraction?
A part of something.
Yeah, a part of something. Okay, very good. Okay, so for instance, if I have a bar of chocolate, okay, and this chocolate, 小朋友有没有买过那种一板一板的巧克力？这上面都是有一块一块的，记不记得？
爸爸有。
对呀，是不是有这样子？是不是一块一块的？老师画的不是很好，小朋友知道对不对？OK，
对
好，小朋友们现在看这一个 chocolate 被分成了几份？
哦。
几份
12个。
？12份。好，那我现在如果说 Eleanor 呢吃了2份，那小朋友你们能不能把 Eleanor 吃了 how much of the fraction of the chocolate and write it for me?
2/12.
2/12. Very good. Okay. Now I want to ask, if I give Amelia 3 pieces of chocolate, so can you tell me what is Amelia's fraction?
3/12.
Oh, 3/12. Amelia, 你在吃什么呀？吃的嘴巴里面都是。那我现在问大家一个问题 ，OK? So which one is bigger? So, Eleanor 吃的比较多呢，还是 Amelia 吃的比较多
Amelia.
？Amelia 对不对？好，为什么？Because in total of 12 pieces, Amelia 吃2块 ，Eleanor 吃几块啊？3块。Correct, everybody? Okay,
Yes.
so this is 2 and this is 3. Okay, so now I want to ask you, 如果老师现在不给你们看图了 there's no 图 at all. 没有图了 OK 没有图了好了我问问小朋友们 Can you immediately tell me 4/12 and 5/12 what does it mean? Which one's bigger?
5/12. 5/12.
Okay, this one is bigger, right? Because out of 我们再把这个图拿回来 out of the 12 pieces, Jordan take 4 pieces and Alexander takes 5 pieces. Of course, Jordan's bigger. 好, so now I'm going to ask you a question, okay? So right now I want to ask you 3/4 or 4/5. Oh, sorry, no, not this one yet. 这个太难了，我们再玩一个啊。So now we're going to do another one. Okay, so the second one is if we have 3/5 or 3/6, which one is bigger?
3/5.
Okay, so Eleanor, why 3/5 is bigger?
Because 6 minus 3 equals 3, and the other side 5 minus 3 equals 2. So there's 2 left over, and there's 3 left over. So
不对. Okay, so we're gonna using that techniques later.
I
know. I want you to focus on these 2 numbers first, okay? So other than just to use a thing, for instance, we have 1/12. That means if I cut the chocolate bar into 12 pieces, okay, and take 1 piece back home. So it's 1/12, right? And also, Eleanor, 3/5 could be like a chocolate. I cut them into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you take home 3. But there's also another way. Everybody take a look, okay? It could be I have 3 apples and I want to share with all of you. How many students, how many people are there in this room? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Yeah, so 3 apples share with 5 people. So that is 3/5. Understand? So the second one, we still have 3 apples. And we share with how many people? 6 people. 好，那我来问问小朋友，一样的东西，分的人越多，每个人分的越多，还是分的人越少，每个人分的越多？
分的人越少就会越多。
对了 ，Eleanor 明白了吗？ So that's why we all have 3. That means we have the 3 same thing, and one is divided by 5 people. This one is divided by 6 people. Each of them will have 3/5 and 3/6. So that's why 3/5 is bigger than 3/6. Understand, Jordan?
Understand.
Okay, understand, Alexander? Okay, so now we're going to have a couple questions, okay? So I'm going to have, so you're going to tell me if it is bigger than or smaller than, okay? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 questions. OK，一共5道题哦，每个小朋友，然后做完以后发给我啊，发给我。So the first one, for instance, bigger than, so bigger will be 就是在 m 旁边的那个数字。OK。OK，有小朋友发给老师了吗？我只收到2个小朋友的呀。
Having a hard time.
OK，那个 Jordan 发给我的个221是啥意思呀？
我给你看，这个是2，这个是1，这边
哦，我知道了，I get it。你说哪个大你就写哪个，是不是？Okay, yeah, that's Jordan's logic. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Eleanor is still typing. Eleanor，你看到没有？不用告诉我哪个小哪个大。
I'm still typing.
Okay.
Done. Miss Gary, I send it to you.
Okay. OK，好。对了，Amelia 是对的。你们看，你们找那个键盘旁边 M 上面，旁边就有大于小于号的呀，
喂
对吧？
喂，
对呀，看到了吗？
我的。
Okay, everybody, 我们先来看一下 2 over 5 and 3 over 5. So equals what? So 2 over 5, of course, 这个是2个苹果分给5个人，3个苹果分给5个人，那肯定3个苹果比5个苹果多，每个人拿到的多，对不对？ So it's smaller than. Okay, so how do we say it, Jordan? Okay, we say this one. So we say the left first. So if the left side is smaller than the right side, it says smaller. 如果是这样就写 bigger. Understand? We read it from like here. 明白吗，小朋友? Okay, from here, from left to right. Okay, so second one. Jordan, can you tell me what is the answer?
Hmm?
Can you tell me for the second one?
The second one?
Very good.
6 apples to share with 8 people or 6 apples to share with 7 people?
So which one's bigger?
6 apples to share with 7 people.
So the answer should be smaller than, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Amelia, take a look, okay? 是 smaller than, 不是 bigger than, 对不对？你要看好了啊。Okay, number 3. Eleanor, can you tell me the answer for the number 3? No, Eleanor, can you tell me how to do 9 over 12 and 11 over 12?
9 over 12
Is? Is smaller or bigger than 11 over 12?
bigger.
Bigger? So you think 9 over 12 is bigger than 11 over 12? So let's explain this one, Eleanor. So 9 over 12 means there are like 9 apples shared with 12 people. And 11 over 12 is 11 apples shared with 12 people. So which one is bigger?
11.
Yeah, it should be smaller, right? So 11 over 12 should be, this one is smaller, still smaller. Okay, 14 over 5, 7 over 5. Alexander. Alexander 又不说话啦。那我们让 Jordan 说吧。Jordan number 4.
Number 4.
No, Alexander 说了 ，Alexander 说了，好，Number 4, Alexander，我们说下面一个，你说好不好，Jordan？
Okay.
嗯哼。
不是，Alexander 去洗手间了。
啊，去洗手间了啊，那还是 Jordan 说吧，下面一题让 Alexander 说。Okay, Jordan, 14 over 5 and 7 over 5. Can you tell me
14 over 5.
why?
Because it's 14 apples to share with 5 people.
Very good. This is bigger than, right? So, okay. So, Alexander 回来了吗？
还没上大。
还没。OK， 好，那还是那个我们让 Eleanor 吧，Eleanor 来跟我们说一下 2 over 3 and 2 over 4.
2 over 4.
So you think 2 over 3 is bigger than 2 over 4, correct? Yes. Okay. Can you tell me why it is bigger than? Hello, Eleanor. You need to explain. Like Jordan did a great job. Okay. Jordan did very good. Jordan said 14 divided by 5 is 14 apples shared with 5 people, and 7 over 5, 7 apples shared with 5 people. And 2 over 3 and 2 over 4 is exactly how many apples are there, Eleanor?
2.
2 apples shared with
3 people.
3 share with 3 people. Very good. And 2 over 4 means 2 apple.
Share with 4 people.
With 4 people. Very good. So 2 over 3 and 2 over 4. 那2个苹果分的人越多，每个人拿到的越少，对不对？ Correct? Okay, so what is the answer? Very good. Okay, good job. Okay, so now we're going to change the play rule, okay? Everybody, so this is the area for Eleanor. This is the area for Amelia. This is the area for Jordan. This is area for Alexander. Everybody, you're going to make one question for the entire class. Everybody is going to do your questions, okay? Are you excited?
What kind of question?
Like the fraction questions. So like I just did. So you're going to make one and ask your classmate to compare two fractions at the same time. Understand, everybody? So you can, if you want to, you can just directly draw on the picture and on my board. If you don't want to, you can just orally tell it to me. Okay, so everybody, I give you 1 minute and you prepare the question for everybody.
Wait, which one is mine?
So this one is Eleanor. This one's Amelia. This is Jordan. This is Alexander. Okay?
Okay.
Mhm. 好了，Eleanor 第一题。还有 Amelia、Jordan 都想好了吗？题目出好了吗
Yes.
OK， 好。Jordan 你可以自己写吗 ？Eleanor 可以自己写吗？
可以。
Hey. Amelia, are you just trying to copy my question?
不能这样的。No, Amelia, you cannot copy Jordan's spell. OK， 把 Amelia 的擦掉。OK, Jordan, your question is good. OK, Jordan 的 question 有点难嘛。So, and I just want you to know, okay? So, Jordan, if your question, everybody cannot do it, you're the one going to explain to the entire class, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Alexander, what is your question? Alexander 还在厕所啊？OK， 我们先来看第一题。我非常喜欢 Eleanor 的question. OK, everybody, Eleanor， 你想谁来回答你的问题 ？You can pick one yourself.
Jordan.
What?
Do you want so Eleanor, who you want to pick up the one who answer your question? 随便找一个小朋友。随便找谁都行。没有啊，你不知道啊。Eleanor, pick up a student. You can pick up yourself as well if you want to. You said, I want to answer my question. Eleanor?
Amelia.
Okay. You want to pick Amelia. Amelia, Eleanor, pick you. Okay, so can you tell me 14 over 5, 14 over 7, which one is bigger?
14 over 5.
Okay, can you explain why?
才不说话。
Amelia 为什么要说的？老师跟你讲，为什么今天老师要问你们怎么才能做出来啊？So actually these days I have a lot of students, they get not very good score on the math. Okay, I'm not saying who is who. 有些在我们班级的小朋友，有一些不是我们班级的小朋友，原来 math 都很好的，而且一直在陆老师这里上课，你怎么可能 math 不好，对不对？Okay, but the thing is actually not only 不仅是有些，比如说啊，低年级的小朋友，还有高年级的小朋友，7年级、8年级、10年级的小朋友，那数学都不太好。那后来我发现了什么？So when you are getting, you want to get a good score in school, okay, no matter which subject, math, English, and whatever, you need to tell the teacher how you get the answer. 不是光光是 math, okay? 但等到你到了7、8年级 ，OK， 你就要告诉老师，哎，你为什么能够得到这个答案？那有些小朋友就不会说，不会说，你就自然达不到好。那我们要是从小就开始 training, so it's gonna be easy. Okay, so Amelia, can you tell me why 14 over 5 is bigger than 14 over 7? First of all, I'm going to tell you your answer is right. Correct, Eleanor? 他做的对不对 ？OK， 非常好，他做的很对，好吧？
The top is big. The top is the same and the bottom is different. So when the bottom is same, the top, whoever is the biggest is the
Okay.
biggest. And when the top is same, the bottom is different.
Okay, so Amelia, I got it. You remember those rules. It's really good. But math is not only about remember the rules. We need to understand what does it mean. Okay, so this is what, for instance, you have $14, Amelia, and you share with 5 people. Okay, so 14 over 5 equals each of the person will get how much money. And the same thing, you have $14 and you divide by 7. That means how much money you will get per person if you share the $14 by 7 people. 那我们想想看，你有14块钱，你是愿意分给5个小朋友呢，还是愿意分给7个小朋友？那肯定是分给5个小朋友，每个小朋友拿得多呀，对不对？ Get it? So that's why 14 over 5 is bigger than 14 over 7. Okay, Amelia, next question is your question. So you want to pick up who to do the question for you?
Alexander.
Alexander. 好 Alexander. Okay, Alexander, 快。Alexander. Oh, hello? Alexander, I cannot do question. I cannot do classes like that. Okay, it's okay if you don't want to. 我听不见，他的声音很远。
OK，那我可能是这个设备离它太远了。
没有，你的声音我听得很清楚啊。你的声音我听得很清楚。我们别的小朋友也会觉得 Alexander 是不是是个机器人呀，在后面，大家说对不对
Second one.
？OK， 那 Alexander 你告诉老师6 over 8 and 6 over 7, which one is bigger?
Second one.
Second one, okay? So can you tell me why the second one is bigger?
Because
Because 好，我们再来看看啊，你 Alexander 你喜不喜欢小狗？Do you like 小猫？你们家是小猫对不对 哦，可能不能这么说啊，把6只小猫分给8个人，这个不好，这个不好，这个不好。哦，小猫喜不喜欢吃鱼？小猫喜不喜欢吃鱼 ？Alexander？
是怪吗？
Oh, okay, Jordan. So can you tell me, you have cats at home, right? So let me ask you, if you have 6 fish and you want to share with 8 cats, and you have 6 fish and you want to share with 7 cats, and each of the cats will have how many fish? So we can look at this one, correct? Okay. 要不然我们今天课就上到这里吧，好吧？小朋友们都不太想上课的样子，好吧？Jordan, I'm talking to you. You're not even replying to me.
What?
So what are you doing, Jordan?
Waiting.
Yeah, I talked to you and you didn't even listen.
Mm.
Yeah, because I think you're doing something else, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So first of all, let's just stop the thing, okay? So Alexander, I need you to turn on the camera now, right now. Or else the whole entire class is gonna wait for you. Alexander, please turn on your camera. As your teacher, I ask you to turn on the camera.
这里这里这里这里。
And please, Mom, put the
Move
background.
closer. Can you
Yeah.
move closer? Doesn't show you. Yeah, there.
Okay, Alexander, please sit down. Okay, everybody's sitting. Yeah, and in your school, I don't think you're having a class that you're standing and you're having classes, correct? Okay, so Alexander, I have to tell you, I think you are a very smart kid. Okay, you're super smart, and you are having the privilege by not turn on the camera and not turn on the mic for more than 20 classes already. Okay, so I think starting today, you have 2 choices: either not attending my class or open the camera and mic. Okay, so now you turn on the camera and you turn the mic. Nothing happened, correct? Are you feeling anxious? Or are you feeling that everybody is going to bite you? No, okay. So in your class, you're doing this. In your class, 你在学校里面上课的时候，大家也都是看得到你的，所以我们在这个课里面也要一样，大家能够看到你。Or else it's not fair. You can see me for so many classes. You can see Eleanor, you can see Amelia, you can see Jordan, and not mention Nathan and also Albert. And he's stuck in the snow. We're very happy we have the chance to see you. But the thing is, I think it's not good for me or for you to still giving you the privilege anymore. Okay? 我觉得你可以学得更好，但是第一件事情我们要把摄像头打开。Okay? So everybody, Jordan, 不可以再看别的东西了啊，不然老师要来打屁股了啊。OK？ 老师要来打屁股了啊。OK？ 好，我们每一个小朋友，我知道我们这个班级的小朋友年纪都比较小。OK? So you think, oh, I have this and that. It's okay. I actually tell you the truth. 你们的老师不是一生出来就这么大的。Okay? I was like you as well. I used to be a baby. Okay? I want everybody give me privilege and I want to play something. And while I'm having class, I want to do this and want to do that. And especially when the class is hard, I tend to lose control. 那 Jordan， 你看啊，现在 Alexander 比你好，我现在只能看到你半个脸。那以后我们上课都这样好了，好吧？那这样就这样上课，能看到好吧？啊 ，Okay, very good. Okay, so now everybody is the same. Okay, so good. So now let's go back to the question, okay? Because now, Jordan, I don't think you can walk away from that. This one is right. So 70 over 25 and 25 over 6. Wow, this is a very hard question. So Jordan, you're going to pick one person to do it.
Eleanor.
Eleanor. So I don't think we have learned it before, right? So Eleanor, do you want to try it? You can make a guess. Let's make a guess, okay? Eleanor, you think it's bigger than or smaller than? Make a guess.
Bigger than?
Okay, Eleanor 说 bigger than. Amelia, 你来猜一下。
Bigger than.
Okay, Amelia 也说 big than. So this is Eleanor, this is Amelia. Okay, Alexander, can you make a guess? So it's bigger than or smaller than? Hi, Peng Peng.
Hello. It's me. Why are there only 4 people in your class?
Because Albert is stuck in the snow.
Oh,
Yeah, so it's snowing.
he fell in.
No, he didn't fit. Alex, can you make a guess? Either bigger than or smaller than? Make a guess.
Smaller than.
Smaller than.
Smaller
Good, good, very good. Alexander's gave different answers. Okay, now Jordan, can you tell me which one is right?
I think it's bigger than I actually don't know.
说的，如果这个小朋友自己出出来题目自己都不会做，要不要打屁股？哎呀，okay, so Jordan, let me just surprise you, okay?
Yep.
So if somebody gave me a question that they don't even know the answer themselves, I'm going to do something, okay? The thing is, Jordan is going to have extra homework today. Okay, now I can see who is bigger, okay? Which one's bigger? OK， 我们看看到底是 Eleanor 和 Amelia 对呢，还是 Alexander？OK，Jordan， 你是不是也是猜你自己也是猜 bigger than， 对不对 ，Jordan？ 你也是猜 bigger than， 对不对 ？OK， 好，我们来看看是 Alexander 一个人对呢，还是3个小朋友对啊 ？OK，so first of all, I'm going to transfer the improper going to be mixed fraction. So it's 2 and 20 over 25. Which is 4 over 5, 2 and 4 over 5. So this one is 4 and 1 over 6. 哎，不用看，这是2点多，这个是4点多。Congratulations, you know who's right in our class. Give me 5. Give me 5. Let's yes. 哎，你看看，自从 Alexander 把摄像头打开了以后，完全不一样了。我跟你说，猜都能猜对，不要说做了。对不对，小朋友们 ？OK, so 好了，那我们下面来看下面一题了啊。So next one is actually really, really different, okay? Because Jordan already told us if the top， 我们以前学了5 over 6和5 over 7，那就是5 over 6大，对不对？但是上面呢，如果是1 over 6 and 2 over 6，那就是2 over 60. Okay, so we have learned the two situations. It's either 上面一样，下面不一样，和上面一样，上面不一样。So the third one is what? 上下都不一样。So 4 over 5 and 5 over 6. Which one is bigger? Which one is smaller? So first of all, as usual, we're going to make a guess. Okay, Eleanor, make a guess. Smaller or bigger?
Mm-hmm.
Make a guess 嘛，这个没关系的了，这没关系的。只有谁要罚的，就是给大家做题目，自己也不知道答案的那种要罚的。然后这个小朋友现在吃东西，嘴巴喵喵喵喵喵喵喵喵喵喵。OK, Eleanor 来猜一个。
Smaller than?
Smaller than? OK, Amelia. Make a guess. 你又把声音关掉了。
Bigger than.
Okay, Amelia 说 bigger than. Alexander, can you tell me? Alexander? Make a guess. Smaller than or bigger than? Bigger than, okay? Jordan?
Smaller.
Smaller than, okay? So smaller, bigger, bigger, smaller. Okay, 好，我们来看看。So this question is hard, okay? Because we don't know how to do that, but everybody, I can do a thing like the same pizza, okay? So the first pizza is cut it, oh, sorry, no pizza.
Smaller than.
You think smaller than, oh, I'm sorry. 我们把它改成 smaller than, okay? So let's see, Alexander. So we have 2 pieces of same chocolate bar, okay? So for the first chocolate bar, so same, okay? So first chocolate bar, is cut them into 5 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 over 5 means 4块被吃掉了，对不对？剩下1块，对不对？Okay, so Amelia, let me ask you. If 4 over 5 has been eaten, so how much of the fraction has left?
One over 5.
Very good. OK，好，下面呢，后面那个 chocolate 啊是 5 over 6，那怎么办？把一个巧克力分成几份？6份。对了，哎，我画的不太好啊。So 5 of them has been eaten。好，老师问你，有多少剩下来了
1.
一个。
？1 over
Six.
6。OK，好，现在老师问你们啊，剩下来的越少，被吃掉的越多，对不对？The leftover, the smaller, the eaten is bigger, correct? Okay,
Yes.
so let me ask you, 1 over 5 and 1 over 6, which one is smaller?
1 over 6.
1 over 6 is smaller. So that's why 5 over 6 is what? Is bigger. So the answer is 4 over 5 is smaller than 5 over 6. Get it, everybody? Okay, you can think about the other way. Think about how much has left. Understand, everybody? So we're going to do this one, okay? So I'm going to show you. So how much is this one? So 4 over 6 and 5 over 7. So I'm still using the same way, okay, everybody? So there are same 2 bar of chocolate. Yeah, chocolate 画的那么丑. Okay, 2 bar of chocolate. They are exactly the same, okay? So 6, I'm going to cut them into 1, 2, 3, 哎，只有 5. 哎呀，不行，那我得接上去一块。哎呀，接上去一块。OK， 那这个好，那我们先来看看这个呢，一共要翻成6块啊，那就每个就很小了。1、2、3、4。哎呀，我不行，我都画的太小了。1、2、3、4、5、6。Okay, so the same chocolate. So 4 over 6 has been eaten and 5 over 7 is being eaten. Correct? So you just see 这边剩下多少 2 over 6. 这边剩下多少 2 over 7. Everybody, because 2 over 6 is bigger than 2 over 7. So that's why 4 over 6 is bigger than 5 over 7. Understand, everybody? Understood?
Yes.
Okay, Alexander, are you clear?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, good. See, Alexander, actually turn on the camera is really good because you don't have to really answer me. You can just nod your hands and I already got it. Get it? Okay, it's much easier for both of us, okay? So everybody, so now I'm going to give you a couple questions, okay? So some of the questions is having the situation 1, some of the questions have situation 2, and some questions having situation Jordan. Right, because Jordan is already somewhere else. Yeah, 你看 Jordan 给我这个脸，Jordan 说：“哦，这个老师好调皮呀，讨厌的不得了。”你看他用东西打我，看到吗？他用个球打我。OK，Jordan 看好题目了，老师要出题目了啊！我看看哪个小朋友做的比较快。OK，开始的题目总是非常简单的，对不对？Because I'm a nice person, I always give you easy questions. 但是后面的可不好说了哟。OK。 稍等，我看看你跟 Alexander 谁做的快啊？你们两个男孩子要竞争一下啊，比赛一下，看看谁做的比较快。Alexander，你要看老师的呀，老师比旁边好看，你旁边肯定有好东西。我不相信旁边的人比我好看，除了你妈妈。Eleanor，你说是不是妈妈最漂亮，对不对？哎，你说妈妈漂亮还是哥哥漂亮？Okay, so everybody, 12 questions. Okay, think about it.
Already 4.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. 好了，已经有小朋友做好了。好了，我们第一题比较简单。OK，我来做。Okay, Eleanor, do you agree with me? So the easier question, let the teacher do it, 好不好？简单的题目让老师做。Okay, first one, 1/3 and 1/5. My answer is bigger than. Why it is bigger than? Is because one apple divided by 3 people and one apple divided by 5 people, the less people, the more everybody is going to share with. So that's why. So 1/3 is bigger than 1/5. Okay. Or you can say what? You can say they'll allow one apple. Oh, sorry, they'll allow one chocolate bar and they're going to equally divide into 3 parts. And I take home 1 part. In the same chocolate bar, and I'll be equally divided into 5 parts and I take home 1 part. So that's why 1/3 is bigger than 1/5. Okay. So number 2, I want to ask Alexander, is it smaller than or bigger than? Hello, Alexander? Bigger than or smaller than?
Bigger than?
Okay, bigger than. I think you're perfectly right. Very good. Okay, number 3. 3/6 and 4/6. Jordan. 什么？你怎么每次都是我叫你的名字，你都觉得说啊，我是谁？我在哪儿？3/6 and 4/6 equals what?
It's smaller.
Smaller than. Very good. Okay, number 4. Amelia.
number 4 is smaller than.
Smaller than. Okay, so you think it's smaller than why? Because this one 3/12 left over, and this is 3/8 left over. 剩下的这个比这个小，这个比这个小，所以原来的就比它大。Very good. Okay, number 5, 7/5 and 8/5. Eleanor. Eleanor.
Smaller than.
Smaller than. Very good. Number 6, Amelia, 5/6 and 4/5.
Number 6 is bigger than.
Okay, it's bigger than. Very good. Good job. Okay, number 7, Jordan.
It's smaller.
Smaller than. Okay, we see. So 4/7 and 4/8. So this one is bigger than this. So that's why the original one is smaller. Very good. Okay, so number 8, Alexander. Alexander, 你哭什么? 2/9, 2/10. So which one is bigger? So can you tell me it's bigger than or smaller than? Bigger than. Very good. Number 9, Amelia, 15/16 and 14/15.
Bigger than.
Bigger than. Good job. Eleanor, 16/17, 15/16.
Smaller than.
Okay. Smaller than. 真的吗？我看看啊，这个 1/17.
Bigger than.
对了 bigger than. Okay, 3/8 and 2/7. Jordan. Jordan.
I can't hear you.
For 11, what is the answer?
Bigger.
Bigger than. Okay, 这个是 5/8 and 5/7 because this one is smaller than that one, so the original. Very good. Okay, last one, Alexander, 13/17 and 12/16. Alexander, 最后一道题了，你做完我们就下课啦，快。大于啊，我们来看看啊，这个不能直接比较，对不对 ？So we can. So the leftover is 4/17 and 4/16. 哎呀，剩下的这个比这个小，所以原来的这个比这个大。Very good, Alexander. Good job. Okay, everybody. So that is it today's we're learning. Okay. So this is a part actually. 我们有很多小朋友到了8年级都不会，我们班的小朋友比很多8年级的小朋友都厉害。Okay, everybody. So that's it for today's class. And you know what? 我们一开始的时候，每个小朋友都有点后来因为 Alexander， 我们每个小朋友都很开心，学得很好。Jordan 看着我啊，好，我看你是真的要我来打你屁股了。OK， 我们下个星期直播打 Jordan 屁股。我下个星期去 Jordan 家上课，然后大家都可以全部都看到我直接打 Jordan 屁股，大家同不同意？好，同意啊。OK， 好，我打个电话给 Jordan 的妈妈，我们先说好，我藏在一个地方，然后上课的时候跳出来，然后 Jordan 都没有办法躲起来，然后我就直接冲过去打 Jordan 屁股，好不好，小朋友们？
我拿这个戳你。
Okay, everybody, that's it for today's class. Okay, good job, very good. Okay, Alexander, keep up. Okay, very good. So everybody, bye bye.